Somebody's buying polo.
Sulla pagaste.
I don't forget the name for Utomboro. God, my skin is glowing today. This is because of the sumptuous delicacy my sis prepares for us. I don't know how to cook. She's like our mommy. You can see all our skin glowing, glow, glow, glow. So today we're making plantain infused with coconut milk. Yes,
Yeah.
and goat's meat and
Cow
cow
leg,
tail.
yeah.
Cow leg. Yeah. So just watch this video and see the preparation process, how it's going to turn out, and all of it. Right. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for always subscribing to my sister's channel, for always commenting. Peace, peace, peace. Mwah.
That introduction was sweet, right? Yeah, she just introduced what we want to do today. So, guys, you already know what we want to do. Actually, this food is from my tradition, Efik tradition, because I'm from the Efik tribe of Cross River State. Yeah, I'm from Calabar South. So, this is from Calabar. This is Calabar traditional food. You would find this food majorly in weddings. There's no other place you would actually find it in weddings. And this food is actually given to the in-laws when they come to pay the bride price of the woman. So I just want you guys to enjoy this video, enjoy the process, and please give us a thumbs up on this video, like and share, comment. Let's dive right into today's video. It's broken.
I told you.
Finally, coconut water. Don't want to waste it. Don't want to waste it.
I told you. I told you. I have
Coconut water is very, very nourishing and good for your brain.
I
But
have
when we're growing up,
experience.
those people back then, remember when they'll tell us, say, no, do coconut water, they'll make you thief. So while growing up, our parents used to be like, I think all kids in Nigeria actually face that stuff. In my century, actually. Test, just
Don't
test.
finish it though.
Just test, everybody test.
I love coconut water.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the